what we need exactly to develop an application by using .NET. What we need exactly to develop an application by using .NET? Answer is to develop to develop to develop an application by using .NET platform. We need one technology and one language. One language. To develop an application by using .NET platform, we need one technology and one language. For example, to develop Windows application, we need technology. We need Windows technology. That is Windows Forms. And .NET language, that is C#.NET. What is the role of language? What is the role of technology? I'll tell you, but up to that you remember. To develop web application, we need we need web technology, that is ASP.NET and .NET language, that is C#.NET. To develop web service, we need web service technology, that is WCF, and language, that is C#.NET. So what is the observation? To develop any type of application, common you need a language called C#.NET, and the technology is concerned technology. Due to that reason, as a .NET developer, first we have to learn C#.NET. So that's why we are going to start after introduction classes. We are starting with C#.NET. Okay, so that is the story. So commonly you have to learn a language called C#.NET. Okay, right. And the next point is in .NET, what is a NET? NET stands for Network Enabled Technology. Then immediately Network Enabled Technology. Sir, why dot symbol? Because single platform called .NET is supporting for multi languages and multi technologies. Single platform called